I'm back on the window.
I'll take one. I told him. Up and over.
All right, guys, here we go.
Here we go. Man, you want me to get anchor started?
Yeah, Joe, which side was it when you went to me?
You want me to try and get it?
He's the second half of me, right? I'm learning a pose. You know what that is?
I'm not afraid.
I'm running to the pose. Unless I get
Let's go, team!
I just want to say hi.
Yeah.
Oh, with the running.
Way to be there. Good stuff, Landon. Chase that, Landon, all you.
You're not bad. No, fine. Stop that.
Nice. Oh, right idea.
With your forward.
Good coverage.
Stay on it. Stay on it, Nick.
Oh, what a pass. Oh, turn it. Oh. Good, Matt.
Yeah, hold on. Do something. Mark.
Ooh. Good job, Deb.
Push that. Take your time.
All right. At least one winger get back up. We got 4 on 2. Back door. Back door. Dylan, you got one behind.
Play goal.
Way to be there. One fire. That's it.
Good, Dad.
Come on, Matt.
Good, Matt. Take it up boards. Chase it. Nice turn. Good fight. Oh.
Go, Trent. Hold on. Take your time. Take your time, Trent. You got this.
Good, Deb.
Dude, you got time. You got time.
Okay, take it out.
No, find somebody. Safety.
Love that stick.
Be careful of that windup, Noah.
Huge.
Trent.
Nice, Dylan. Good post.
Cooper, let's go.
Good attack. Good effort.
Push him.
Good job.
That's right, that hurt.
Let's do Dylan. All day, Dylan.
Hold on, Hoover. I got it. Keep in the corner until we can find open.
Push up a little bit, Kurt.
Yep. Yep. Let's do Layman all day. Line ball, line ball, line ball. Come on, Dev.
Nice.
Layden, you got time. You got a little bit of time. One comment, one comment.
Time.
You got Kevin up. Never mind, he fell, he fell. Get to the board.
Nice.
Yeah, there you go. Gavin, Gavin, Gavin. There you go.
One behind. Ooh, we're on the center there. We're going through our map.
You got two in front, one behind. One coming behind.
Good.
Here we go.
That's you all. That's all you all day, Landon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop practice. Captain. Yeah. Let's go. Second up game. Good to go. I need you to take the process and email the web people to be like, hey, this is an issue. We need this guy off the site. Pay for 8. I will want 8 hours. Yeah, I can do that right now. Yeah. Go.
What? Right here. I didn't hear what happened. I got the end of it, but.
So there was a malfunction with the computer that said he didn't pay his invoice, but we went back because they were working on the website. So they went back and to previous games. He already had his waiver signed and everything.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's what the issue was.
Okay, no problem. The computer glitched, so he didn't pay, but he played already, so he did pay out on the waiver.
Oh,
so.
okay.
Yeah.
Where's Landon's
How you feeling, Ollie? All right. Dude, my open is freezing.
Your left hand's in the head hole.
You got this, Will.
You can do it.
You can't do it.
There you go. This is our lead program. Yes, sir.
That's good enough.
Sideways. It's just on. Wear it like a sash.
Yeah, I saw that.
Cooper cackle across the ice.
The other side.
It's like you feel like iced over. guys. I'm missing my football game.
You're all set to go.
You could just forfeit if you want to watch.
I'm
not saying that.
Okay. We'll try to get the phone on the right now. So, feel free to hop on the ice. Yeah, you're good. Yes. Center ground. Ready? Yep.
Can we look a little bit more athletically ready, please? You're scaring me.
Clock should still be running right now.
Up, up, up. There you go. There you go.
Push the heart. Go if you need to.
Finally! Oh my gosh, it didn't hit the net. He found the twine. There you go, Dev. Yeah. There you go, Dylan. Get it up, Dev. Alright, guys, let's help our goalie get here now. There you go, take it up. One more coming.
Take your time. Here scores.
There you go, one coming behind you, There you go. One coming, Coop. Yep.
Hey, it's not wrestling.
Easy, Mr. President. Go on, teamwork. You're away from the stand. Come your way.
I think.
Gavin, lost switch.
Yeah. Harvard team. That's all you right now.
Across the mat if you can.
5 minutes left in the half.
That's you, Alan.
Goalie ball. 5.
Good job, Deb.
Good clear, Deb. That's all the way across. Come on, Deb. Hey, Nabs, anyone need one?
Right, you got it. You want me to come up?
Yeah, land here. Somebody has to.
Hold on to your rope.
Then do that. Hold Gavin. Gavin, you got solo. You got solo.
Push it, Will.
Push it, Will. You got this, Will. You do it. Yeah. Hey, get on him. Right now.
Right to pressure, Will.
Go, Curtis!
One ball.
Get it out there, get it out there. That's you, Alan. Nice, Alan. Yeah, Will.
Okay, hang on tight.
Hey, you gotta stay on your man.
Come on, Alan, have a run.
Come on, Aiden.
Come on, Alan, on now, on now.
I touched you beforehand.
Nice. Alan, that's you. Nice, Will, get that, yeah!
Alan, go other side.
Come on, Will!
Alan, get to that left side. That way you're open.
Get away.
Alan, get down the wall. That way they can send it to you. Send it down the wall. Alan's there.
Go settle into it.
Slide going away.
Just the side.
Go, Will, that's you, go, go!
Push that,
Will! Go, Curtis, left!
Alan, shift central. Shift.
That's you!
Dylan. Yeah, Dylan. Hold that. Hold that.
Just keep pushing!
Hold it. Keep her moving. Yes, Alan. Yes. Finish, Alan.
1 minute left in the half.
Keep her moving. Good stuff. Alan, get open on the back side. Hit Alan on the left side. Hit it.
Goalie ball. 5.
Haley, that's you, yes!
Yeah. Haley, pop it over.
Good job, AJ!
Carson, when did you get it through? Oh.
Good job, go, Alan!
How many do you have?
Will, that's all you.
I'll have to sneak in.
Come on, Will! Yeah!
Most of them are.
Go, Curtis! Yes, Curtis! Dude! Go, go, go! Curtis, come on! Yes!
Where's Owen? Owen! Gloves. Too cold.
I lost you over there. Boy, Matt.
Ready, Owen? All right, lock it in. Try to not let the ball get in front of Owen like all day like that.
No contact sport, no first aid.
Oh, I just, you know, get over
Guys, keep an eye out.
You're gonna hit me. Hey, Scotty. Hey, where's your loser? Who's at the car? Come on up.
You, Deb. There you go, Deb.
April. What's up?
Hey, good.
How much? You're watching football. You want to
Coop! Hey, good shot. Keep going, Cooper. Keep going. Keep shooting, boys.
How you doing, Huntington?
Hey! Give him my hat! That's 20% off at University Images. But I had no problem getting discounts at University Images. So.
I was going to say.
Cooper, I told you to call time out next time, big dog. Just. There you go, Dylan! Let's go! No, he's ready to rumble. You got those new legs back, he's ready to go! Yeah, that's good. Hey! We talked about this! Pressure that.
Nice stick.
Yeah, get the Coop, yeah. Hey, we gotta take out your stick and gather when we get home. Come on, Gavin! Come on, Gavin!
So I'll take window sticks now.
Hold on. Yeah! You're good. Tough bounce. Tough bounce. Oh, you're good. You got it. Hey, just wear that blue face up every time there's a clamp off. You'll be good. go, guys. Let's go on. No. 4-1. Actually, we're down 1. Hold that, hold that, hold that.
Good. One on. You didn't even hear my tag. It's you. I haven't seen you.
I was here for the last 2 games ago.
I haven't played on this game yet.
I really don't hear anybody. Like, I'm so locked in.
Oh yeah, same.
The crowd and the room is the exact same to me. Like, I don't.
So old.
Right, put it forward. There you go. Get there, Dad. One more, Alex.
Good weight, Deb.
There you go, Dad. Take that. Got one coming. Taking notes from Cooper, I see. We got 2 of them. It's a problem now.
Jack, I am indeed.
Get it out of hand.
Is that Matt?
Do it to him.
I don't think so. Madden doesn't have a game today. We went skiing earlier. Where were you at 9 o'clock this morning? 9 o'clock? I
like the effort.
To be fair,
There you go.
Madden last
There you
night
go.
told me that I was going skiing with him.
Yeah, he told me he's like, you want skiing with me tomorrow before the girl.
There you go. One coming. One coming.
You guys, alright,
He told me to come to sleep with him, like, in his room, because Dad was gone. And then he was like, oh, by the way, I'm going to pull it all night. Why'd I leave my room?
Because we were playing Minecraft, he's like, yeah, Ed, Lucky just want to stay out with it. I mean, it shows that, I mean.
Dude, he told me he was going to pull an all-nighter, and then I think he fell asleep because in the morning, I had to pound on his door really hard. I called him twice.
He told me to wake him up at 9, and I go, no, I'm not going to. I'm gonna be getting ready for church.
Nasty. Oh my
I had to
God.
be over there at 8:30, and we were leaving.
Hey, you guys better keep going. I think I can come back and be honest.
Right early.
Hey, we got you.
Yeah, maybe at the very end, but like.
He just left me on the hill. It was my first time
What?
skiing.
Dude, I like broke my head. I felt so hard.
The card tries to teach you. Don't believe him. Don't believe him. Whatever you do. Black diamonds are not easy.
What's the hardest? Black diamond's the hardest. I do that.
Don't go on those ones. That's my recommendation.
They have black diamonds too.
They have double black diamonds. They don't have it. They have one beginner course.
Well, you're
That's
back.
not even a beginner course. That's technically considered a
I
blue.
like it. It's all you, Landon.
Owen just like put me on some courses and like left me. He would come by occasionally and tell me that I can't park there.
There you go. Got one coming, too.
And then I sat down and had lunch or dinner with what's his name? Something.
Oh, with the girl that ghosted you?
No, the guy in your guys' Air Force. Big something. Yeah.
Good body, Dad.
No.
Get right for
Why do
it.
you think he would take it?
Every time.
I don't know. Most of them.
Coming again.
They do? Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe it's because you left.
But I wasn't really like ever in. I was
I
in.
don't know. Because I was telling them that I have physically did. It's pretty cool on that. And they're like, yeah. Oh, I don't like it. I was like,
No, because I literally sat down at dinner and had dinner with McClellan, and he had no problem.
He doesn't.
Tevin might have a problem with it because he
Tevin
thought I was.
has a problem.
Yeah, because he thinks I stalked him.
Another one.
I just said hi to
Bring
him.
out the knobs.
Tevin and like a couple other people.
I introduced myself the first time.
Hey, what time?
How did you say goodbye?
I think it's because it was during like the club event thing that you guys did, where it was like I said hi to him, I'm Jack, I'm McClellan. And I don't think he remembered who I was, so when I said hi to him the next time, he was kind of like freaked out. And I continued to do it another like couple times. And I think he had no clue who I was other than the guy who.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
And at some point he thought I said his first name, which no one up here knows, and I didn't know until Luke told me. Yeah, I didn't know who was Noah until Luke told me. But apparently, Kevin thinks I said his first name to him, which is super creepy. I think I've smoothed things over for the most part. He knows I wasn't trying.
I think McCollum likes you. I know, you obviously know I like you. I think it's
I think it's Kevin.
just Kevin.
Just Kevin. Because no one else really has a reason to. No one else has really met me.
Maybe Kevin's through because of Kevin.
Yeah, I think Kevin's rude because I thought I was black. Or not blackmailing him, stalking.
Yeah. I don't see a reason.
That stands for a reason.
Other board.
But the rest of the Air Force is chill with me if not likes me.
Yeah. No ball?
Oh, Millwall's gonna be fun.
Good hold. Hey, think Cooper. Yep.
I'm probably gonna have to do no possibility.
Is she coming out for the party?
No. She is a star. What did he say? Oh, you're doing?
Yeah.
I might be doing the drill. No, they don't have drill. Do they?
I think they have other parties.
Oh.
And if they do a drill performance, I'll probably do it. Like throwing the rifle.
No.
Or I'll be caught up. Because I usually like do 2 and 2.
Yeah.
Chris?
I don't know.
You're good.
I don't know. We haven't picked people.
Hey, get ready for the drop kick. Get ready for the drop
I
kick.
don't think he'll make it. He might, just to screw me over, but I don't know. He doesn't like me much, so that might be a reason he doesn't do it. He doesn't want us to look good.
Where's your broom?
In the gym group army, guys.
In the morning?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's not bad. Where's your
Yeah. Not too long.
It's just after this game, right after?
Yeah. Are you on the...
I'm back.
Yeah, because the Air Force limited it, and they pulled it on...
No, the Air Force, they said POC only, and then we found out it
Your body. Your body.
pissed me off because I wanted to play on the Air Force.
Why didn't you join a different one?
I didn't want to.
We have like...
Because it got too late, and I was like, I don't know. It takes up I don't have no time.
I feel that.
Good, Jeff.
Seems like that's a lie.
Good,
Alright.
good.
It's not a lie. I don't like any crew have to do anything. It's always just 60.
I got my shit on. Oh, yeah.
Keep shooting.
Don't play hard.
Alright, I'm going home.
Tricky. Let's hope the